Good day, kids! Once again, this is Teacher Dorothy. Welcome to our phonics class. Let's sing first our ABC phonics song. Enjoy singing!
One, two, three, four. When we learn these sounds, you'll see. Ready to read, then we will be. Apple, football. Cat and dog. Egg and fan. Goat and hand. Inchworm, jam. Kite and lamb. Monkey, noodles. Octopus and poodles. Quilt and rail. Sun and tail. Umbrella, vase. I'm nearly through. See my happy face. Wagon, box. Yarn. Say you see a fox. See him in the zoo. It was fun and now we're through. If we sing this well indeed, then it's time for us to read.
Okay, today let's learn the CVC sounds and words. Okay, first, let's identify the word and the sound. Okay, let's say the sound first. Okay, okay, repeat after me. A, t. Again, a, t. What word do you think is this? Okay, it's hat. Again, hat. Okay, this is a hat. Okay, let's read a simple sentence. I like to wear a hat. Again, I like to wear a hat. Very good. Next word. Okay, we have n, e, t. Again, n, e, t. What do you think is this? What word is this? Okay, it's net. Again, net. Okay, this is the net. Okay, let's read a simple sentence. The fisherman catches the fish using the net. Again, the fisherman catches the fish using the net. Okay, let's proceed to another word and picture. Okay, let's have t, a, b. Again, t, a, b. What word do you think is this? Yes, this is called tub. Again, tub. Okay, this one is the picture tub. Okay, let's read a simple sentence of it. Okay, just repeat after me. I use the tub to take a bath. Again, I use the tub to take a bath. Very good. Okay, next word we have fin. Again, fin. Okay, it reads like this. I, n. Again, I, n. Fin. Okay, as you can see, there's a fish. Okay, and then look at the arrow, the color red. It's pointing to the fish fin. Again, fish fin. That is fin. That the one is yellow. Okay, let's read the simple sentence. Just repeat after me. The fish's fin is yellow. Again, the fish's fin is yellow. Okay, let's have another word. This is p-o-t. Again, p-o-t. Okay, how will you read it? Okay, it's pot. Again, pot. Again, pot. Very good. Okay, this is a pot. Again, pot. The one you use for cooking. Okay, let's read a simple sentence. Okay, repeat after me. My mom cook the soup into the pot. Again, my mom cook the soup into the pot. Okay, next word we have mug. Again, mug. Okay, what word is this? Yes, it's mug. Again, mug. Okay, this is a mug. Okay, let's read a simple sentence. Okay, my dad drink a mug of coffee. Again, my dad drink a mug of coffee. Very good. Okay, next picture or next word. Okay, it's t a p. Again, t a p. What word is this? Okay, this is tap. Again, tap. Very good. Okay, this is the picture of the word tap. Okay, let's read a simple sentence. Okay, repeat after me. My sister turned off the tap. Again, my sister turned off the tap. Very good. Okay, next word. We have p-e-n. Again, p-e-n. Okay, this is pen. Oh, very good. Okay, now this is the picture pen. Okay, it's used to write something, right? Okay. Okay. Let's read the simple sentence. Repeat after me. I use a pen to write my name. Again, I use a pen to write my name. Very good. Okay, let's have an activity. Okay, what are we going to do here is you're going to identify the picture and write the scrambled letters into correct word of each picture. Okay, example like this. First picture, we have this one. Okay, what do you think is that? Okay, there are three letters for the scramble letters for correct word. Okay, it's how the letters of the word has a O T P. What do you think the correct spelling? Okay, it's P O T. That is pot. Very good. Okay, now next picture we have. What do you think is this? Yes, it's pen. Again, pen. What do you think is the correct spelling of the word pen? Okay, we have p-e-n. Okay, pen. Okay, it's P-E-N. Pen. Very good. Next picture, we have this. What do you call this one? Okay, this is called net. Again, net. It's n-e-t. Okay, how will you spell it? Okay, it's N-E-T. E-T. Very good. Okay, next picture. What picture is this? Okay, this is tap. Again, tap. Okay, how will you spell the word tap? Okay, it's T-A-P. Okay, it's T-A-P. Very good. Next picture we have tub. Again, tub. Okay, can you spell the word tub? Okay, it's T-U-B. Tub. Next, what picture is this? Yes, this is mug. Again, mug. How will you spell it? Yes, it's spelled M-U-G. This one, M-U-G. How about this picture? How will you identify this picture? Okay, this is hat. Can you spell the word hat? Okay, it's H-A-T. Hat. Okay, next we have this. What do you call this one? Look at the red arrow. It's pointing to, yes, it's fin. Again, fin. Can you spell the word fin? Yes, it's F-I-N. Fin. Very good. Okay, for your activity, I want you to open your book on page 4. Okay, page 4. Kindly open your book on page 4. Okay, this one. Okay, page 4. Page 4. Okay. What are you going to do here is you're going to write the word and color the matching picture. Example. Okay, first we have the word hat. Okay, what are you going to do is you write, just copy the word hat. Okay, we have H, A, T. Okay, just copy hat. And then you're going to color the correct picture hat. Which one is the correct color? Correct picture of this word. Okay, this one. Just color. Any color you like. Okay? Okay, that is how you're going to answer your activity. I hope you learned something today, kids. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you soon.